Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Actions are judged by intentions." The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The best among you is he who learns the Quran and teach it others." The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Among the best of you those who have the best character." The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Allah will not be merciful to those who are not merciful to mankind." The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A Muslim is the brother of another Muslim." The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Respect the bread." The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever conceals the faults of another Muslim, Allah will conceal his faults in both worlds." The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Information is not the same as observation."